Good morning, my name is Rachel, and this is Totoro, and this is Pippin, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own egg shakers or cat toys.
So I should start by saying this is a project for older kids. I think younger kids would enjoy the shaker eggs, but it's probably something you're going to need some coordination to make. The only requirements for this are duct tape, a ping pong ball, a piercing object, and rice. You're going to take your piercing object, we used a nail, and make a small hole in your ping pong ball, and then put maybe 4 or 5 grains of rice in that small hole, and then you wrap it in duct tape really tight. I would recommend doing the piercing with the supervision of a grown-up and making sure that your duct tape is on tight enough that your younger sibling or your cat isn't going to get it off.
So shaker eggs, fun, simple, great for learning rhythm, great for using for singing. I'll link to some great shaker egg songs below if you're looking for something to sing with your shaker eggs. And also, they are very fun for our animal friends. And if you don't have an animal friend or a younger sibling at home, you could always consider making something like this and donating it to a shelter or gifting it to a younger friend who might like it. I hope you have a great day. Keep reading.